Get a feel for the 2020 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sporty Blazer that delivers family-friendly comfort and pleasing driving manners. Convenient, spacious, and equipped with desirable safety and infotainment tech, it brings style and satisfaction to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate, dual zone AC, power driver's seat. Feel calm and confident in this well-equipped Blazer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.